orator on Islam and comparative religion. Dr. Zakir Naik is the president of Islamic Research Foundation in Mumbai. Dr. Zakir clarifies Islamic viewpoints and clears misconceptions about Islam using the Quran, authentic hadith, and other religious scriptures as a basis in conjunction with reason, logic, and scientific facts. He is 47 years old. He is popular for his critical analysis and convincing answers for challenging questions posed by audiences after his public talks. In the last 17 years, by the year 2013, Dr. Zakir Naik has delivered more than 2,000 public talks in the USA, Canada, UK, Italy, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Egypt, Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, Guyana, South America, Trinidad and Tobago, and many other countries, and now for the first time in Africa, a lecture of this magnitude in Nigeria. He is ranked in the top 62 list of the 500 influential Muslims in the world, published by George Washington University in the year 2011 and 2012. He was also listed number 82 in the 100 most influential people in India, published by Indian Express in 2009, and listed number 81 in 2010 amongst the billion-plus population of India. He was listed number 3 of the top 10 spiritual gurus of India in 2009, and he topped this list in 2010. And over 100 million viewership, of which 25% are non-Muslims. In its footsteps, he launched Peace TV Urdu. My dear brothers and sisters, help me give a resounding welcome to our honorable guest, Dr. Zakir Naik.